Hey guys, Coach Cabrini here, the Gangster Chef. I'm at it again, cooking up food and food for thought while I am channeling my inner Julia child, honey. So as always, I'm always doing something first that I've never done before. I'm making kale chips. So I'm going to tell you the process later, but the one of the things you want to do is, I'm always telling you about making love to your food. You want to massage every crevice of your kale. You want to get your oil all in the middle of every piece of this curly kale that you can. And you can. You can get into every single crevice. I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is the oil and kale leaves together. I have massaged them so beautifully green, and now I'm going to put them into my preheated oven at 300 degrees for 15 minutes. Here we go. I'll be right back. Okay everybody, I am back. I have to tell you, I am gangster when it comes into the kitchen and cooking, especially when I am channeling my inner Julia child, honey. I have made kale chips. Now, I have watched probably 10 videos of how to make kale chips. Let me tell y'all, this shit is so damn easy. However, there are a couple of things I think made it even more spectacular is the pan that I used, which I can't turn my phone around. But let me just let y'all hear this real quick. And it's so damn good. Look, watch this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yum. Wait. Okay. Wait a minute, let me get it together. I'll be right back. Okay. So that was absolutely amazing. The oil that I used was a tablespoon of of avocado oil, and a teaspoon equivalent to sesame seed oil. Well, a teaspoon of sesame seed oil. I mix it together, and then I put it in the oven in this pan that I'm going to show you in a minute. And I didn't have to flip it around because the hose from the pan circulated the air, so I didn't have to use. And the one I'm going to show you, another one I did with parchment paper, that you have to twirl it around. And I think because of the parchment paper, because the oil is sitting at the bottom of the parchment paper, it keeps it wet and moist. So I suggest using this pan I'm going to show you. Hold on. Okay guys, this pan right here works so well. Look at that. Wait a minute, I gotta take a picture of that. Hold on. Oops. Ooh, Lord. Y'all hear that crunch? Okay. Now, sorry y'all. I know it's rude for me to be eating, but listen. You could clearly eat an entire bunch by yourself. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so here's my parchment paper one, and as you can see, some of them are really still a little moist, so I have to keep them in the oven. And this one is only avocado oil, granulated garlic, and sea salt. Woo! That one's good too. Lord have mercy. Okay, well see, some of these are still wet. And you see what I mean about the oil on the parchment paper? You guys see that? So that's what's keeping it moist. So that's why it has to cook longer. But if you have this, the oil, I think I have to eat one more to tell y'all. Okay, that's it. I'll be right back. Okay, everybody, this is my last video about the kale chips that were absolutely amazing. It was my first time making it. And again, like I said, I watched so many different videos of people making so many different versions and talking about how they had gone through so many different recipes. I'm keeping it gangster. I'm gangster in the kitchen because I am channeling my inner Julia Child, honey. So things come a little bit easier for me. And I will show you how too. So, without further ado, bon appetit. I'll see y'all later in the next video. Bye. All right, remember, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the notification, a little thingy thing there, and like my video and share it with someone if you are having fun, or if you get any value from cooking gangster style. Okay, that's it. YouTube channel is The Gangster Chef. Chefing with Coach Cabrini. Okay, bye y'all.